but I got things to do. At home, nobody wants to be alone. Just let me live, yeah. I wanna live,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new and wondering who is this beauty gorgeous face, my name is Anna Mdoi, and please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment, and to my OGs on my streams and to be Anzo when it's turning in Miani and and that's on here. So guys, today is Thursday and I am at Mandela Square in Central City. I'm waiting for my order and I ordered a sushi base. I was craving one and the time now is hi go. The time now is 2019, 20 past 8 p.m. and my shift starts at 10 p.m. So I have close to 2 hours free period. Over 1 hour 40 minutes free time for me to eat. I bought myself coffee for lunch and right now I ordered Sihle just to snack, and then I bought myself some zamans. And guys, tomorrow, the reason why I'm starting this vlog now is because of tomorrow we are going out, me and Sihle. So I don't know what to say, yes guys, but we are going out to eat and yeah, for brunch. And I'm not sure who's in Zagaland because it has been raining today, so and heavy raining. So I don't know guys if tomorrow Buzoneta or not, but if it's raining I don't think so because the dress that I'm going to wear, it's very light. Lifuna isama liveza umqolo wonke. So guys, I'm still waiting for my order and I'm tired. I'm tired. I don't know. This is a Galagan shift. As tired as I am, but I think this time we need to push. Guys, I love this hair. My son didn't like it. My daughter, I told Mama that hair doesn't suit him. Like, who said that? Because I love it. I love it for me because it doesn't have lots and lots of work. So I just wear it and go. I wear and go, no stress. So guys, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. When I go to the brunch with Sihle. And yeah. Maybe they get ready with me, but I don't know. Me and time. But I'll try if the willingness cuts, and then I will be able to do it. But then if I don't have time, then I won't. So yeah guys, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Let me leave you and love you. Okay, I'll show you my sushi when it comes. Guys, this is what I ordered. Where is it? Salmon maki, 4 pieces. Guys, this is what I ordered.
Now they wanna listen to us jealousy. Freaking you, freaking you, baby, I'm freaking you. Come and talk to me. Rush, 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 baby, just like commodity. So pretty, pretty, girl, you belong in the family. What's your fantasy? Say something you never did. Go real. I'm to my wrist like I'm a fish. Diamonds on my chest like a fish. And these times right here ain't no heat. These times right here gon' really, really, really cute. These times really gonna make you numb like Shanice. Time is your time. I need to know we're gone now. 'Cause if not, I know that more. There's always more. That's for sure. There's always more. That's for sure. Because of the beautiful women that I'm on one. Beautiful women and they know this me. Now they wanna listen to us, not to see. All I can freaking you, freaking you, yeah, freaking you. Come and talk to me. I don't like the shy game. I don't like no mind game. 'Cause by the time you make your mind up, it's time's up. Hey, you gon' have to climb it if you want it. Running through these rubbers, it's exhausting. Drop hot, baby girl, it's CrossFit. I'ma grab your body. I'm back on it. You can put 100 grams on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In the private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. 'Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on the bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel my joy, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my doors. No, go bamboo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
Hi guys, welcome back to today's vlog. And yeah, as I told you yesterday, me and Sihle are coming to Waterfall Corner. So we are here to have fun, to enjoy, and most importantly to have some brunch and talk about daily things, to catch up basically. So that's what we are here for. And guys, and please guys, if you did not subscribe, what are you still waiting for? That's a topic for another day. I think we should sit down and have a talk about that, because you guys are sometimes watching but not subscribing. And why? Tell me why you're doing that. So So yeah, it's a topic for another day. Today we are here to have fun, not to whine. And thank you so much. Please enjoy this vlog and love you. Oh, alright.
That's what you've been. I was flying, I was in it, I was flying. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior. That's what she's ashamed of your dad. Look at what you become. Right up at what you've been. I was just like, I was just so in it. I was just so committed. I don't regret it. I know I love this once so I said that I was needed. That you would be real, that you would be right. Talking out that tough shit, think that you gon' go down.
I think this is better. Hi guys, so we are here at Waterfall Corner at Live Green Cafe, and yeah, currently so we still haven't received our orders, but we've already ordered. So yeah, we're still waiting, and I'm with my twinnie. Hi twinnie. So you know guys, yeah, we're still waiting for our order, and I'll show you the order. Yes. Guys, I want to show you our aesthetics. It's just that it's raining and we are packed in the only one, so you know how it is. Sometimes other people don't want you to take videos of them, so it's a bit strange for me to do that. So I don't know. Until like it has, I'll do it. But it has my head. Yes. Manje wena uthini uthi sibayenzeni labantu laba?
Yeah, we should take a video
and show them ukuthi sikuphi kahle.
Yeah.
The aesthetics, guys. Yeah, we're gonna show you all the aesthetics of where we are because top notch. Man, take a Natsiba, always eating.
I'll see the back. Back.
Yeah. You.
Give them this one. Yeah, okay, when you're done, maybe we'll order mojitos. Then. How much is
Or a bottle of wine, man. Papi's back.
Papi's back for Nela.
Guys, the time now is 15:16. So we are still here. I mean, we are not happy about that, guys. But like here, but there's nothing, no alcohol or whatsoever. Like this is like milkshake. Let's see, milkshake, guys. It doesn't have anything, and I am so angry because being tuna into isn't, you know, and so what is this? Like, I am really not happy about it. This one's guys, if I didn't see you, I'm gonna class because tomorrow we are taking off to send the time. So to continue everything, but we're not sure. So when I'm move about but if it's on my class, yes, so we'll go on. So I'll see you guys when I see you. So now, bye bye.
Came out looking the party and now I'm owning that building. You bitches can't get my spot until I start raising some children. These bitches all in their feelings, can't fuck with Nikki, they know. They know that Nikki a poet, pop me a bottle of mo. They said I couldn't, but I did it though. Tell them I still got the hourglass figured out. Can't stop me, don't watch me. You better just watch your nigga hoe. I'm in that big boy, I am in beast mode. Respect the G code. Bitches ain't got trophies, bitches that get repo. I am a monster, this is ambition. This is the type of car that you keep on bad bitches. Don't got good vision, but I don't see competition. They want me to come and help them, but I am not a magician. I'm on them fofos, I'm tipping. You better move out my way. I am not here to play. Pink print can't be delayed. I win again, I win again, and 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 I win again. Yeah, I win again. Can't tell me nothing about it. Your opinion isn't valid. Oh, now when promoters pour away now. The wind ski like I couldn't get to stay now. I've been bad like cutting school and stay now. I've been hotter than vacation and lay now. I sat back and watched how.
Hi guys, I'm back again. So we are about to leave right now and I'm here to say bye bye. I guess I'll see you tomorrow. We might be rain, but then guys, due to the weather, I don't think so. Yeah, Neta, I want to show you around. You will see how it is so raining. We had fun, me and Sihle. We really enjoyed ourselves. We ate, we drank, we enjoyed ourselves and love you for today. Subscribe, as I said, like and comment.
These bitches and they can't